Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove followers on Twitter. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Twitter application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on your profile picture at the top left. You can see that I have 15 followers, so 15 accounts follow me on Twitter. I'll click on my list and it lets me see all my Twitter followers. For example, if I want to remove the specific account from my followers list, all I have to do is to open that account. Tap on following. It gives you an option of unfollowing that person. Tap on it, and thus you have unfollowed that specific person. Now, if you want to block him, tap on 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. You will see few options. Tap on block. You've successfully blocked this user and he is removed from our followers list. You can repeat the step for other people that you want to remove from your followers. If I go back, you can see that now I have 14 followers, but I had 15 at the beginning of this video. Now if you change your mind and choose that you want to unblock a person, then click on the settings and privacy option. When you get to this page, simply search for blocked. Open this blocked accounts. This will show you a list of all the people you've blocked on Twitter. You can unblock any of them by clicking on this button. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.